To make this scarf, I used Karen Big Cakes, and this color was Cherry Compote, but you can also use Red Heart Super Saver or any worsted weight yarn. And I used a 9mm crochet hook. And I used a big stitch with my size 9mm hook, because then this is a very soft and fluidy scarf. It's not stiff at all. And the flower that I used as the shawl pin is a pattern that I already have here in my videos. So I'm going to put the link below. And then also I have a video on how to make this shawl stick. So I'll put both of those links below. This is probably about 11 or 12 inches wide. And I'm going to double crochet in the 5th stitch from the hook. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I'm going to make a double crochet. And that is going to be the equivalent of the first V-stitch. Now I'm going to skip 2 stitches, and in the next stitch I'm going to make double crochet, chain 1, double crochet. And I'm going to repeat that across the row. So that's skip 2 stitches, in the next stitch make double crochet, chain 1, double crochet. And that's what that looks like. So you're going to have V stitches all the way across the row. So I'm just going to continue across the row, skip 2 stitches, make a V stitch in the next stitch. So that's double crochet, chain 1, and double crochet. So I'm going to go ahead and continue that across the row. And there you go. I've worked all the way across the row with a foundation row of 32 stitches, and I have 10 of these V stitches. And now every row is going to be exactly the same. It's going to be turn your work, slip stitch into that first chain 1 space, chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, double crochet in the same stitch. So you have a V stitch in a V stitch. Now you're going to go to the next chain 1 space and make a V stitch, double crochet, chain 1, and double crochet. And you're going to continue across the row. In the chain 1 space, make double crochet, chain 1, and double crochet. And you'll continue that all the way across the row, and each row will be exactly the same. You'll turn and slip stitch into the first chain 1 space, and then continue to make your V stitches. For mine, I worked probably 28 inches, so you can make it as long as you like. I found 28 inches was just about right for a small summer scarf. So to wear it, you can just fold this top part down at the back of the neck, and you can make shawl pins with a crochet flower by just attaching them to one of these barrettes. You place that on the back, and then it's very easy to just open it up and attach it to use as a shawl pin. So there you go. That's how easy it is to make this summer accessory. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.